On August 9th, 2023, Ohio police were dispatched to a check cashing store. A woman was reportedly trying to cash a $28,000 check with a fake ID. That call set this entire encounter in motion. When officers arrived, they had reasonable, articulable suspicion to detain her, a named suspect, a third-party complaint, a fraudulent instrument still in play. That clears the Terry versus Ohio standard from 1968. The stop was lawful.
You being helped with them right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Do you mind? You have paperwork for her? Yeah, ma'am, do you have your ID on you?
No, that's the only one I'm getting a new one. I'm waiting for the BMV to send me like the hard plastic copy.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mind if I see that?
Yeah.
Okay.
The issue.
The IOU number to my car.
Just taking a look at this real fast.
Okay.
Is this your current address on here?
Yes.
Quebec?
Yes, Quebec, yes.
Okay.
Is there an issue?
Possibly. We're gonna take a look here.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the issue?
We just want to make sure that this is a proper document.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine.
You got this from the DMV?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Give me just a moment, okay?
Okay. I mean, I got, everything is, legit. I got it from, this I got from where I work. I don't currently work there anymore. I quit after this, and then I got that from the DMV.
Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. Give me just a second here, okay?
Okay. And he can even call and verify it. I'm pretty sure there's a number somewhere. And then I have this issue also. This one here. That came out.
Is that right?
This just says your address.
Gotcha. $205, copy of DL.
17 copy. 205.
Robert Zebra 104347.
You break it.
Thank you.
Alright, go ahead and turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Can I?
Nope.
I have to call.
Nope.
I have to call.
Right now, you're gonna put your hands behind your back.
Okay, can I put this in my pocket, please?
Just put it on the counter.
Okay.
Put it down.
Put it on the counter. Okay.
Stop.
Hey,
Hey,
Oh, is that right there?
I have to call my kids.
Okay,
I
we'll
have
get
to
there.
make sure who has my kids
keep your hands
knows
behind your
what's
back.
going
Stop
on.
pulling. Stop.
I don't know what the issue is.
We're gonna figure that out here, okay?
Okay, so I'm being put in
Just relax here.
cuffs?
Yes,
Because of
just
what?
relax.
You're not even telling me what is going on. I don't understand.
We'll get to that.
I've never been in a situation like this. Like, I'm completely confused. Like, and you're not even telling me what's going on.
Your license isn't coming back to you. It's not an Ohio driver's license. It's a fake one.
How is it fake?
Click it right here.
Got that.
You gotta click that. Stop. Don't reach into anything. Stop.
No, because
Stop.
that's a violation of privacy. Oh my God. Yes, it is.
No.
Yes, it is. You just can't go through my
Stop
things
pulling
like
on the
that.
cuffs.
They hurt.
You're under arrest.
They hurt.
Stop.
You don't have to do all this. Like, you're hurting me.
Keep your hands still.
Okay, I'm
Stop.
trying to put them down. If you
Okay,
would
then put them down.
stop.
Stop reaching for stuff.
Oh my God, what can I reach for? You're
Back
hurting
down these
me.
pockets.
I don't have nothing in my pockets.
Stop.
Okay, can you please let go of me? I'm not gonna go nowhere.
No,
There's
it's not
three
how
of
this
y'all,
works.
and I'm one person. Please do not touch my ass.
I'm just back
Okay,
of my
that's
hand.
fine, but I don't feel comfortable with you doing that.
I'm just doing it for officer safety here. It's the
Oh
back of my hand.
God.
Stop
Can you
reaching.
please
No.
let go
We're
of
going to
me.
No, we're going to the car. Come on.
Please let go of me.
No.
Please let
No.
go of me. You're hurting me, bro.
Hey, walk.
Okay, I am. Can you please let go?
No.
You are hurting me. You are hurting me.
Out.
You're hurting me because the
By
cuffs,
walking?
the cuffs are pulling on my wrist. They're hurting me.
Well, they're not meant to comfort.
Okay, but they don't have to be this tight. I'm one little ass person. There's three of you. It's just ridiculous. Please let go of me.
No.
Please let go of me. Please let go. You're hurting me.
Go ahead and take a seat.
You're hurting me.
Seat.
I don't care. You're hurting me.
Buckle you in so you don't get hurt.
How the fuck am I gonna get hurt? I'm in the back of the fucking car.
Because it's state law to have you buckled in.
Can you at least lose it?
Go ahead and turn the car on, turn the camera on. Nope, they're properly spaced.
No, they're not. They're tight. I'm telling you,
They're not.
they hurt. They are tight. How are you gonna tell me? They're on me. They're not on you.
You find a real ID?
Yeah, I gave this one. After that thing, read her rights and everything.
You want to go ahead and read her rights and let her know what's going on, see if she wants to answer any questions?
Yeah. Give me a second. I'm sorry. I'm thinking of Miranda here. Make sure I got it right.
Here's who she actually is.
Gotcha.
I'll let you do that.
Is that even a good check? $28,000. Did they say if the check was bad or just the ID?
I'm sure they just checked the ID. She's got somebody else's social in here. I'll let you go through all this.
Okay. Thank you.
First and foremost, and then
Okay. Yeah, let me just gather my thoughts for a second. So this was in here, and then
She has a forged government document
okay,
in someone else's name.
gotcha.
she got other people's
There's another-
information in there.
Okay.
Can I make a phone call, please?
Yeah, when we get to jail.
I'm not gonna be there long.
Let me just set this on the seat for a second.
Sure.
I'm allowed a bond. I need to call for my kids.
All right. We can take care of that later. Okay.
Okay, how? What's
So
later?
you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in court.
Okay, I have one question. Am I allowed a bond?
You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one.
Am I allowed a bond, though? This is what I'm
We'll get all
asking.
this stuff figured out. Do you have any questions right now?
Just, I need to make a couple phone calls.
We'll get that figured out later, okay?
What's later? I have to get a hold of my kids so they know what's going on.
We have to get to jail and process it first.
Yeah, you'll get a call later.
What's later, though, is what I'm asking. I'm going to be worried. I have to call my fiance.
Okay. Do you want to answer any questions about what's going on here today?
No, I don't.
No?
I'd rather be quiet because you guys are known to twist words.
But yes, you said somebody was able to.
I do have one question. When am I going to be able to get my belongings?
$300 in cash and put
Excuse
the
me?
back into her purse.
Excuse me.
She said she canceled the
Excuse
numbers
me?
that were taken
Excuse me.
when she started getting fraud alerts on the picture.
Excuse me. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? When am I going to be able to get my belongings? Excuse me. Hello? When am I going to be able to get my belongings? That's the only question I have.
Man, we're gonna get that figured out, okay?
Why can't you
First we're
tell
going
me
to jail, then We're gonna
anything?
get you booked in.
Why
and
can't
you'll
you
be
tell
able to
me
make a call,
anything?
and then we'll figure out about your belongings, okay?
Will I be able, if I get bonded, will I be able to receive them back? My ID and my phone and my purse?
We'll get that figured out. I'm not sure all the details yet. We're looking through here and just trying to figure it out, okay?
Can't you tell me? You're the one that has my belongings.
3 socials, 2 video.
The socials that are in there belong to me and my children. And you can look that up and you'll see that that's proof. Those socials are my children's and mine. Well, not even mine. Mine isn't in there, but my children's. I have 3 children, and I could tell you their names and their birthdays. Those are theirs. They're all my children. So everything in that wallet is mine. And it's nothing else. And like I said, you can look it up and you can see for yourself. Everything in my purse and my wallet belongs to me. And they're all legit. Like I said, you can look them up and you can check. And the 2 IDs in there are both mine. They both have my ID, my names on them, and my address. One is a passport photo, and the other one is a regular BMV one. I went to the Walgreens on Clark yesterday and got that done. The passport ID. And you can also look into that and see that that's the truth.
Anything else in there?
Not that I'm seeing that has any relevance.
Like I said, everything is mine and legit. Other than that,
Let him get out of here. So, what?
those ones are mine. Those ones are legit.
Okay, we still have to impound them anyway until you can prove that they are yours, okay?
You can call the Social Security office.
we
I
have to
can tell you
impound
the
them.
names on those. I have 3 children. So why are they being taken? Like I
It's
said,
all going to go with your property. It's all going to be impounded.
Impounded, what does that mean?
It means it's going into our property.
Okay,
That's
will
where
I be
people
able
keep
to get it
property.
back?
Yeah,
Because I can't replace those.
yeah. We have a property for it. You get your stuff back once we're done. As long as you're able to prove that they're yours, then yes, you'll get them back.
You can call the
detective will
Social
do that.
Security
Yeah.
office on 73rd.
A detective will do it.
Everything in that, especially the 2 IDs, are mine in the purse.
Okay.
And you can check up with Walgreens on Clark. I went and got the passport ID yesterday.
Okay. Well, right now you're under arrest for identity theft. Okay.
Whatever. I'm trying to take care of my kids.
Hey, thanks.
Possession of.
Well, she's also in possession of a driver's license that has info on it too, so it's identity theft at the very least.
At the very least, yeah.
How many IDs does she have with different names on it in her picture?
This is the same.
Those are both the same?
Yeah, this is the same driver's.
So just the one? And then she's claiming these 3 social
Just
cards
the
are her
piece.
children's,
Yeah, piece of paper.
which all have the same last name, I believe, as her. Correct? Fuller?
Yeah.
Which that might all check out, so a paper ID for identity theft right now. Alright, we'll see about this check. Alright.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
How much time can I get for this?
Okay, so what they say? They said the check
They
was
said it's a
good?
good check.
Okay, it's just under that other lady's
Yeah,
name.
it's under someone else's name,
Okay.
but it's a valid check.
Alright.
Hello? How much time can I get for this?
That I don't know. That's up to a judge.
The ID she handed over did not return to her in the database. That single fact shifted the encounter from an investigatory stop to an arrest. 2 legal clocks started running, Miranda and the use of force standard under Graham versus Connor. Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989, holds that force must be objectively reasonable under the totality of circumstances judged from the officer's position at that moment, not in hindsight. Handcuffing a resisting suspect clears that bar. Clearing the bar and doing it well are different things. She complained the cuffs were too tight. The officer said they were properly spaced without checking. That failure on camera creates real exposure under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. The Miranda issue is more serious. Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, requires a complete and unambiguous warning before custodial interrogation begins. She was handcuffed in the back of a patrol car. That is custody by any definition. The officer began administering Miranda, but the warning was fragmented, interrupted by her questions about bond and her children. The advisement was never completed cleanly, and no confirmation of understanding was obtained. A court reviewing this footage would scrutinize that gap. Any statements she made before a complete warning are suppression candidates. Berkemer versus McCarty from 1984 distinguishes routine stops from custody, but once cuffs go on and the arrest is announced, that line is crossed. No ambiguity. She did invoke her right to silence imperfectly, saying she would rather stay quiet because she feared her words would be twisted. Under Bergwis versus Tompkins from 2010, an invocation must be unambiguous. This one came close enough to matter in court. The purse search was clean. United States versus Robinson, 1973, authorizes a full search incident to a lawful arrest, no warrant needed. Officers found a forged driver's license, multiple social security cards, and the check itself, lawfully obtained. Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.49 defines identity fraud as using another person's identifying information without consent to obtain something of value. The forged license used to cash a check in someone else's name fits that definition squarely. Ohio Revised Code Section 2913.31 covers forgery, possessing a forged government document with purpose to defraud. The statute does not require the fraud to succeed. Possession with intent is enough. Probable cause was solid. Her defense, someone on Facebook supplied the check, promising $2,000 to cash. It is a textbook money mule narrative. It speaks to intent, the hardest element of identity fraud. Prosecutors will decide if that survives, knowing possession of a forged ID. The officers earn a B-. The arrest was legally sound. The evidence developed correctly. Composure maintained throughout. What cost them? A fragmented Miranda and no visible cuff verification, both preventable procedural failures. The subject receives a D. The evidence against her was substantial and on camera. Invoking silence was the right call. But continued voluntary statements afterward and physical resistance during cuffing worsened her legal position unnecessarily. 2 lessons. First, Miranda is not a formality. Deliver it completely, confirm understanding, document it. A fragmented warning given through a car window while the subject is asking unrelated questions will not hold up when tested in a suppression hearing. Second, check the cuffs on camera when a suspect complains. The video is what a jury sees in a Section 1983 civil suit 2 years later. 5 seconds of visible verification is worth more than any verbal denial in a courtroom. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.